You don't have to filter. You filter out just to please them dahil yun yung gusto nilang makita sa'yo. So, ako
Mm.
po, yun din po yung na-share ko po no, sa Women in Sync that it's okay to feel. Kung napapagod, magpahinga. Pero hindi mo kailangang pilitin. But, I always lead them point back to Jesus. Kasi parang ang nangyayari po, kapag minsan naman po, parang yes, they are getting real with themselves, but na ano naman po sa isolation. Hindi na po
Hmm.
sila nakikipag-usap, hindi na po sila nakiki-interact kasi they shut down. May wall na po agad.
Mm.
So, yun po yung tinuturo ko din sa mga young ladies na hinahawakan ko po. It's okay to grieve. It's okay to feel. It's okay to get real. But, don't ever forget na etong mga emotions na ito, dapat it shouldn't consume you.